Smoke can be seen for miles, no doubt. Yeah, I know that there is a volcano from all them years ago. I know that was pretty. You could see that from space. We're going quickly over to volcano cam. Breaking news in the middle of Iceland in Gellingdorfsfjall, whatever.
Gee, that sounds really dirty, love.
Gelding Adler fra Fagradalsfjall. Still sounds weird. That's easy for you to say. Honestly, it's not. I made it look easy, but it's not. Okay, and that's live. Okay, look at that. Can you say the name of the mountain on the volcano cam? I can't quite read it. Okay. Gelding Adelir fra Fagradalsfjall.
Say it again.
Gelding Adelir fra Fagradalsfjall.
Can you put that in chat?
Fagradalsfjall.
We're gonna call it Fragradal.
Geldinga Dalir fra Fagradalsfjall.
What is that?
There, I was close to that. Wasn't I? Fagradalsfjall. It's not the. It's the Fjalli. It's Fjolli, isn't it? It's Fjolli. It's not Fjall. Fjall.
Geldingadalir frá Fagradalsfjalli.
Say that again.
Geldingadalir frá Fagradalsfjalli.
I wasn't too far off it. Was I? Geldingadalir
You were actually really close.
Fagradalsfjall. Yeah, I think I would. I mean, people, wouldn't look at me funnily. Now, if you were going to do the one that happened in 2011 or whatever, whenever, how do you say that one?
Eyjafjallajökull.
I'll never get that one. I will never. Eyjafjallajökull. Eyjafjallajökull.
Ditch.
Eyja.
Oh, we're terrible.
Hang on,
Jökull.
she was talking. Eyja. Oh, I'm not.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Eyjafjallajökull. Eyjafjallajökull. My mouth was not designed to speak like this. I can't. This. Do you know what? Seriously, right. What you should do, Iceland Queen, is you should get a load of everyday things in Icelandic and write them up for me to try and pronounce. And see, and then you can tell me how I'm going horrendously wrong. Lady Evic says it sounds like me trying to teach JT Norwegian. Yeah. I'm not designed for that style of speaking at all. My mouth doesn't. My tongue is just like, what are you doing? What is going on here? Use Google Translate. All right, you can say.
Well, this was fun.
Smalahove. Yes, I can say Smalahove. Thank you, Lady Vic. Thank you very much, Iceland Queen. You have educated me today.